Hey, thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. Let's talk about travel reimbursement. It is such a pain in the butt for many of us to get anything done when it comes to that. And what do? We just give up and never file for it, at least many of us. Or you just don't even go to your appointment. So let's talk about it because there is some acknowledgement from the VA specifically on this benefit. This travel reimbursement benefit that sadly many of us are not utilizing. So let's jump into it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I truly appreciate it. And here we go. Veteran Travel 101. Applying for travel reimbursement. VA may reimburse you for travel expenses to and from medical appointments. This article, I'll call it an acknowledgement, April 1st, 2024. So let's jump into it. We're going to talk about who's eligible before filing, to file a claim, and support and resources. So let's jump through this. VA wants to make it easy. That's all right. It's already starting off kind of funny. All right. So VA wants to make it easy for you to receive care and to help you travel to and from your appointments. VA offers many appointments for quality health care tailored for veterans, from VA medical centers and community-based outpatient clinics to virtual care and telehealth appointments. I don't know if you get reimbursed for a telehealth appointment. Well, what if you had to drive somewhere in order to, I don't know, whatever. So telehealth appointments. If you need a face-to-face appointment, you may incur a cost to travel to see a provider. Did you know you may be eligible for reimbursement of some or all of those travel expenses? VA's travel reimbursement program can help. And let's find out how. There's a quotation here and it says, "Our mission is to ensure timely access to world-class healthcare, regardless of your location or the way you choose to get care, in person, over the phone, or video appointments, at VA or in the community," said Hillary Peabody, Acting Assistant Undersecretary of Health for Integrated Veteran Care. It's a lot of words to put on a business card. I'll say it again. Hillary Peabody, Acting Assistant Undersecretary of Health for Integrated Veteran Care. It's probably all she's got on her card. No room for the phone number. Sorry. All right, moving on. Travel reimbursements can make a real difference when it puts money back in the wallets of veterans and their beneficiaries. We know the challenges of getting to an appointment. The cost to get there shouldn't be one of them. All right, who is eligible? Great question. Veterans who travel for care at a VA health facility or VA approved care at a non-VA health facility in their community, and who also meet one of the following. There are 6 bullet points. You have to meet one of the following. You have a VA disability rating of 30% or higher. You're traveling for treatment of a service-connected condition, even if your VA disability is less than 30%. You receive a VA pension. And side note, for those that don't know, VA pension is a safety net program for low and no income wartime or war period veterans. Don't have to serve in the wars. You just need to have served during a war period. You have here's the next bullet point. You have an income below the maximum annual VA pension rate, which you might ask yourself, well, why wouldn't you have pension then? If you are a non-war period veteran and you have the same income, low or no income thresholds, then you can qualify for VA health care, but not pension. Okay, moving on. Next one, this is bullet number 5. You can't afford to pay for your travel as defined by VA guidelines. And the last bullet, you're traveling to a scheduled VA claim exam, also called a CMP exam, the compensation and pension exam, to get a service dog or a VA approved transplant care. Eligible veterans can file claims for regular transportation such as by car, plane, train, bus, taxi, or light rail. I don't see helicopter. All right. Approved meals and lodging expenses. So those are the 2 categories that you can file claims for: regular transportation and approved meals and lodging expenses. Some people don't know that. So that's why I said it again. Moving on. VA can also reimburse caregivers for transportation and related lodging and meals if they meet any of the 3 requirements below. They are a family caregiver under the National Caregiver Program traveling to receive caregiver training or support your care. They are a medically required attendant traveling with you to support your care. They are your transplant care donor or support person. The next section here is before filing. Before filing a claim, there are 3 things here that they want to tell you. Keep your receipts, probably important. Keep your receipts for all transportation and approved meals or lodging. Be sure to track your mileage to and from appointments. Number 2, set up direct deposit. VA will deposit reimbursements into your bank account. Number 3, file your claim on time. Here's an important one. You must file within 30 days of the appointment or 30 days from when you became eligible for reimbursement. File a new claim for each appointment. To file a claim, use the step-by-step instructions online to file a claim through the Beneficiary Travel Self-Service System, BTSSS, and refer to the Beneficiary Travel Frequently Asked Questions. You can also file your claim by mail, fax, email, or in person at the VA facility where you receive care. Complete the veteran/beneficiary claim for reimbursement or of travel expense form VA form 10-3542 and use the VA facility locator to find your facility's contact information. For assistance in addressing any issues or help with filing your claim, contact your local VA facility beneficiary travel point of contact. So you can call your closest VA facility and ask for their VA facility beneficiary travel point of contact. Or you could just say, hey, is there a beneficiary travel point of contact that I could talk to? I need some help filling out the form. Or I want to figure out how to submit my travel reimbursement. And then it goes on, it says for more information you can visit the VA Travel Pay Reimbursement website, and basically it kind of gives us, again, a lot of the same information. It's just directly from the website. So what did they do? They basically consolidated the information from the VA's website on VA Travel Pay Reimbursement and put it into a news release and pushed that out. So you can Google search VA Travel Pay Reimbursement and go to the VA's website and essentially get the same information. You can also see it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Have a great one. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.